What if I told you the job of a UI UX designer could completely change in 2026? Imagine waking up and opening an AI tool, type in, design me a modern fitness app for teenagers. And in 10 seconds, boom, a full app design appears. The colors, done. The layout, done. Even the animations, done. Does that mean UI UX designers are finished? Or could something much bigger be happening? Because the truth might actually surprise you. Section 1. What is actually happening? Before everyone starts panicking and throwing their laptops out the window, let's clear something up. AI is not fully replacing UI UX designers in 2026, but it is replacing parts of the jobs. Here's where things get interesting. Right now, designers spend hours doing things like building layouts, creating wireframes, choosing colors, testing designs. But AI can do this in seconds. And in 2026, it's only getting smarter. Imagine this, a company says, we need a clean website for a gym. Instead of hiring a beginner designer immediately, they might ask AI first. This means basic design work could disappear entirely, especially repetitive tasks. And honestly, it's a bit scary, but also quite exciting. Section 2. The biggest way AI could change design. Here's where things get crazy. The biggest change isn't AI replacing designers. It's AI is making designers insanely fast. Think about it. The old way. Designers spend 6 hours making homepage ideas. The new way. AI creates 20 home pages in just 30 seconds. Now that's when the designer's job changes. Instead of creating everything from scratch, they become more like a creative director. They pick the best idea, improve it, make it smarter, make it human. It's almost like going from builder to strategist. And the shift, it could completely change the industry. Completely. Section 3. User research could become way faster. Now let's talk about UX, because this is the part that is honestly wild. UX designers spend tons of time understanding users. Questions like, why are people leaving this page? Why aren't they clicking this button? Why does the app feel confusing? Normally, this takes ages figuring it out. Surveys, user testing, research. But AI could scan thousands of user behaviors instantly. Then AI could say 83% of users leave because the checkout button is too hard to find. Like, what? That could save companies for weeks of work. And for business, time equals money. Section 4. Here's why AI still has a huge problem. Now, before you think, yep, my dreams are cursed, I'm gonna go broke, and I better start watching tutorials on how to survive on cat food. But there's one massive problem with AI, so don't do that, please. AI doesn't fully understand human psychology, and UI UX design is all about humans. Let me explain. Imagine designing a website for a luxury watch brand like Rolex. Would it feel playful and colourful? Probably not. You want it to feel premium, elegant, expensive. Now imagine designing for kids. Completely different vibe. More fun, more energy, more movement. AI can generate designs, that's the truth. But understanding emotion, branding, and human psychology, that is way harder for a robot. Because, like I said in every single video, great design isn't just let's make it look nice. It asks how should people feel. And that's what humans are still really good at. Section 5. The truth nobody talks about. Here's the truth that nobody talks about. The designers that are at risk are the ones who don't adapt. Because imagine this. Designer A ignores AI completely, but designer B uses AI to work 10 times faster. Who gets hired? Exactly, designer B. The future won't be AI replaces designers, it will be designers are using AI to replace designers who don't. And that's a huge difference. And honestly, this happens in almost every industry. Technology changes, jobs evolve, people adapt. So, will AI replace UI UX designers in 2026? Not completely, thank God. But it will change the game. Some beginner tasks probably replaced. Simple websites may be automated, but creativity, human emotion, problem solving, big ideas, it still matters. And small designers in 2026 won't fight against AI like your lifeline depends on it. They'll learn to use it, like build a team with it. Because the future might not be humans versus AI, but instead humans with AI, and that combo can be unstoppable. But what do you think? Will AI replace designers, or will it just make them better? Comment below. And if you enjoy UI UX design and future tech content, please hit subscribe because we've got a lot more coming. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!